Right, after working on 951 we taking a break now on something a bit bigger, which is an O&K, as you can see. We just had this all straightened out, all the links, nice little job done there. It's been welded back on, so it's only a small project. It shouldn't take us more than a few hours to sort out. Got the track roller to sort out, it's broken. So some bob rollers to renew. Looks like there's 5 there. So this shouldn't take long to sort out. As you can see, she's only a small machine anyway. She's only a 30-ton. So I reckon an hour's work will get it sorted, no problem at all.